তো সবাইকে স্বাগতম। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, কেমন আছো সবাই? তো আশা করছি সবাই ভালো আছো, আমিও ভালো আছি। ইউ আর মোস্ট ওয়েলকাম টু দিস ক্লাস ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস। তো আমি এমডি সেলিম রেজা, ইংলিশ টিচার, লেবুতলা হাই স্কুল, যশোর সদর, যশোর। ইংলিশ হোম উইথ সেলিম স্যারের চ্যানেল থেকে সবাইকে স্বাগতম। চলো যাই, আজকের একটি নতুন লেসন শিখব। তো চলো যাওয়া যাক, আজকের নতুন লেসন কি দেখে নেওয়া যাক। তার today's lesson is how to change the speech, interrogative and optative sentence. Okay, dear learners, learning objectives. After completing this lesson, students will be able to define interrogative and optative sentence, define the structure of changing speech, change direct speech into indirect. What is interrogative sentence? So the sentence which is used to know something is interrogative sentence. So do you like to follow your parents? What is the aim of your life? There are two categories of interrogative sentence. One kind is yes or no question. Another kind is WH question. Are you well? Who is he? Do you like my song? Asha said to Tasha. Asha asked Tasha if she liked her song. How to change yes or no question from direct to indirect speech. Now let us start. তো প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, স্ট্রাকচারটি খাতায় তুলে নেবে এবং মনোযোগ সহকারে ভিডিওটি রপ্ত করবে, দেখবে এবং ট্রাই করবে। Ifat said to Aika, what kind of song does Asha sing? Ifat asked Aika, what kind of song Asha sang? Does she sing a folk song? Said Aika. Aika wanted to know if she sang folk song. The woman said, how does the man dance with the penguins? Two women asked how the man danced with penguin. How to change WH question from direct to indirect speech. So structure will be subject plus asked or object plus WH word plus subject plus verb plus extension. What and how is the man eating? Asked he. Now he asked or wanted to know what and how the man was eating. Let's practice. Mother said, have you done your homework? The doctor said to the patient, what is your problem? The man said to me, would you give me your pen? He said to me, can you solve the problem? The headmaster said to the boy, do you obey your parents? The father said to the son, are you sure to get a plus in annual exam? The son said to his mother, how can I overcome the situation?